Magandang araw po sa ating lahat. On behalf of Toyota Batangas City, it is my great pleasure to welcome each and every one of you to this very special occasion, the launch of the new Toyota Ativ. Today, it is not just about unveiling a new vehicle. It's about continuing a legacy of innovation, reliability, and care that Toyota has proudly shared with the Filipino people for generations. Here in Batangas, where passion, hard work, and progress drive every community, we are honored to introduce a car that truly represents the spirit of our times. Smart, efficient, and advanced. The new Toyota Ativ is more than just a stylish and modern sedan. It is a symbol of Toyota's unwavering commitment to evolve. From being the pioneer in hybrid technology, we are now gearing towards a more electric and sustainable future. And we are thrilled to bring that future right here at the heart of Batangas. Because for us, Toyota Batangas City, this is more than just a business. It's about serving our people, ensuring that every customer who walks through our doors experiences the Toyota way. One built on excellence, trust, and genuine care. We take pride in knowing that our service and parts teams are always ready to keep your vehicles in top condition, because your satisfaction and safety will always come first. As we welcome the new Toyota Ativ, we invite you to embrace the change, to drive the future, and to experience innovation the Toyota way. Maraming salamat po for being part of this milestone. Together, let's continue moving Batangas forward with Toyota leading the way. Welcome to the new Toyota Ativ, where the future begins today.